Is your cafe or retail shop running out of fridge space or stuck waiting weeks for delivedelivery?
If you're in Perth and need a reliable 2-door glass fridge fast, Rhodes Refrigeration has you covered.
We've got premium 815-litre merchandisers in stock right here in Wangara. No East Coast delays.
Perfect for cafes, restaurants and retail stores. Featuring bright LED lighting, double-glazed heated doors, electronic temperature control from 0 to 10 degrees, and 10 sturdy shelves.
Available in black or white, energy efficient, and backed by a 2-year warranty.
Need it delivered and installed?
Visit jacksonrhodes.com.au or call us today.